Let's check out a brand new edition of District Wins. In honor of National Teacher Appreciation Week, here are a few tributes to our incredible teachers in the school district of Lee County. Once again, we say thank you, Lee County teachers, for being second parents, friends, and lifelong inspirations for all of your students. Here's the 2019-2020 School District of Lee County School Nurse of the Year, Miss Wally Cologne. She's a nurse at both Veterans Park Academy for the Arts and G. Weaver Hips. Congratulations and thank you to all of our school nurses that provide care and compassion every day. North Fort Myers High School donated face shields to the frontline workers at Lee Health. Pictured left to right is North Fort Myers High School Principal Mrs. Debbie Diggs, Mr. Jason Puella from Lee Health, and North Fort Myers High School teacher Mrs. Jacqueline Curls. These face shields were designed and created by Mrs. Curls using a 3D printer and laminate paper. And to all of our Southwest Florida health workers, every second you are working is deeply appreciated. Over at Colonial Elementary School, Mrs. Dimmock went above and beyond, sending a special birthday cake delivery to one of their students. Oh, and by the way, happy birthday, Amirial. Let's send congratulations to Olivia and Bryce at Edison Park Creative and Expressive Art School. These students just became proud members of the Millionaire Reading Club. That's right, they've now read 1 million words. And of course, Olivia and Bryce are hoping their allowance will reflect the same amount. Today's motto at North Fort Myers High School is, if you can't be with your friends, Photoshop them in. Kaylee is the winner of the Quarantine Crew Dress-Up Day photo competition. Outstanding job, Kaylee. Everyone at Manatee Elementary School would like to say thank you so very much to the Midwest Food Bank for your wonderful donation of meal kits. Our families are truly appreciative of your kindness during this challenging time. This photograph, taken by Virginia Bain of Fort Myers High School, is titled Lip Smacking Good and was awarded first place in the 7th annual Ding Darling Theodore Cross High School Photography Contest held at the J.N. Ding Darling National Wildlife Refuge on Sanibel Island. Here's well-deserved congratulations, Virginia. Finally, here's a proud smile of success from Logan at Gulf Elementary School. He just earned 100 accelerated reader points in kindergarten. Way to go, big guy. If you'd like to see your school featured in District Wins, send us your photos and information to news@leeschools.net.